Have you ever thought about spending the big bucks to do a helicopter ride over a glacier? Well, thanks to Chris Luce, we can show you what it's like. Being able to see this beauty in person is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I would say it's absolutely worth every penny. How absolutely beautiful and breathtaking this scenery is. Down below, the glacier is just seeming like it's gliding by, but it is in fact massive. Tell us in the comments below if you would spend $470 per person to get to do this scenic, beautiful tour. We're interested to know. And once again, thank you, Chris Luce, for this footage.